Well, this is what we all wished it looked like today. But that's what it actually looked like today. Look at all the leaves that are gone, the cloudy skies, and welcome back to Newswatch Ole Miss. I'm William Traylor with StormWatch. 68 degrees here in Oxford today. Light rain all day long on the Oxford campus. If you've been outside this morning, you probably have had that umbrella with you, or you've gotten wet as a result of not having that umbrella. 5-mile-per-hour winds, 98% humidity here in Oxford today. You may have noticed last night how all that fog was in the air, all that steam, what looked like steam was in the air. That's that humidity, and that will stick around for tonight as well. Now, as you go into this next week, some temperatures are going to ebb and flow a little bit. There's going to be some fluctuation that we're going to try to tell you about, but what you need to know is the Memphis radar is down. According to the National Weather Service, that's what this red dot is that you see right here on your screen. That is the main radar we use for all of our weathercasts around here in the Mid-South, and that radar is down, so you may have to swap around, use your weather app, put it in Little Rock or Huntsville or somewhere like that if you're having trouble pulling up the weather on your phone because of that radar outage. National Weather Service posting this on their Facebook page with a little sad face on the radar as well. Telling you to just use another radar for the time being. That radar should be fixed within the next couple of days. So what are we looking at around the region today? 64 in South Haven, 68 is a high today in Oxford, 67 in Holly Springs. And we're going to stay in that 60-degree range all day today and all night tonight. We're not going to break out of that for the next 12 hours or so. 61 being your low this evening. That's not going to change until tomorrow, but tomorrow's forecast is going to be pretty good. I'll tell you about it in just a second. 61 your low tonight. Cloudy, but we don't really have a whole lot of precipitation. You may get some sprinkles here and there, but nothing like we've been having for the majority of the day today. The winds are going to stay down, but that humidity will be high. It'll feel very muggy, very sticky, and all that fog will stay in the air tonight like it did last night. But tomorrow's going to come. It's a new day, and it'll be 75 degrees and mostly sunny for your Friday. 9 miles per hour, 23% chance of precipitation for everyone that's leaving Oxford. You'll have a pretty good day to get out of Oxford with that weather. Not too much rain hindering your drive back home. Tomorrow's highs around the area: 75 in Oxford, 76 in Holly Springs, 74 down in Tupelo. We're finally getting below the 60s, 59 for your lows tomorrow night, and it's going to stay that way for the majority of the weekend, as you can see here in your 7-day forecast. Look at that Saturday and Sunday, 69 and 66 with lows as 47, and then we're going to go into Monday and Tuesday with some big rain that is going to bring in a cold front here into the Mid-South region that will follow us all the way into Wednesday and into the Egg Bowl, which we will win.
I can't do the cold. I came down here thinking it's hot year-round. It's not. That's a lie.
No, we are very bipolar with our weather here in Mississippi, and we're going to stay that way. We're going to prove it this week.
I know. Well, the only one thing brightening up my day is the Egg Bowl. Are there any other sports that are going on this weekend or next?
Well, taking a look into everything on the court and the amazing athletes that we have here at Ole Miss, all of this when we get back from the break.